how to design a stone slate award or gift item. Scroll on our website at 40photobar.com and choose stone, wood, tiles, and awards. You can go into the natural slate stone prints. Here we're going to do a freestyle one, a little square. And we're going to hit begin creation. You can also email us the photos and we'll charge you a little bit, but we can do it for you. Here you see that the web engine is loading, and I have a disclaimer here that all the slates are a little bit different, so be careful that things will get cut off towards the edges. You select your file to upload. Let's just select 2 files for today, and I'm going to upload them. I'm going to show you 2 different ways to do it, which make it very, very easy. Most people like to write a few bits of wording on it and put one photo. So let's say I'm putting this photo over here. So I add the image to the page. The thing is if I don't want the head to be cut off, I have to be careful not to put it that it drags over. But take a look at this. It's a shape that's different than the shape of the slate. So what can I do? I can make it bigger to fill up completely by just dragging it out. You notice her leg is going to get cut off and his leg is going to get cut off, which I actually like. But let's say we don't want to do that. So let's just make it smaller again. Let's say we want it to fit. So what I do is I just put it inside to the right size, and then I will go over here and I'll choose a theme, and I'll choose a background that matches the background color, for example. So let's say I want to put a background that's a little bit like that, or some people just put black. And then the picture sets in there. Then if I add text, okay, I can say happy anniversary. And I can make the text white and just drag it up here, and then I can stretch it out. And if I want, I can choose a different font. And we're all set. Add it to cart. Thank you very much for watching.